witness on an aggravated battery.
How you doing? Thanks for watching. This is George at Wicked Warnings here with the brand new camera phone. We're talking about the 2019 Explorers, and we're talking about passing wires through the firewall. This particular vehicle is kind of a pain in the ass to pass wires through the firewall for stereo or accessories or anything like that. So this is what we do, is basically right here by the battery, in the back here, you can see down in there, there's a hole right there. That's our hole. And we put a grommet, plastic grommet around that hole from the inside where we can get at it. Now, if I can get a little bit over here, you can see the hood cable? It's right down in there next to it, just to the right side of it, poking through the firewall. That's how you can locate on the inside what you need to do. But we're about 3 inches towards the engine from the hood cable there, right down in there. Let me show you the inside. Let me show you how we drill it. So this is my tool of choice for drilling it. It's a 3/4 inch step bit from Harbor Freight, welded into a 12-inch extension. Works real good to get in those hard to reach places. Allows a nice 3/4 inch hole with the step bit clean through the metal, so we can go ahead and pop in that plastic panel grommet, and it protects the edges of the wiring. Don't ever put wiring through a naked hole. It's just going to cut a hole in it and arc it. But this is how we do it, and it reaches in there just fine. Get yourself a couple of these. Okay, so bear with me here. We're up underneath the dashboard, and I'm just trying to show you where that comes through. Right here, you can see where we've removed a little bit of that rubber, and right there you can see the hole. All you got to do is take a fresh razor, and you can slice that rubber right out of the way to expose the metal behind it. There is nothing behind the rubber except a white padding sound deadener mat, and we shove that over to the left, and we actually just cut a C shape out of that and fold it to the left, and that way you can fold it back over and you won't lose any sound deadening or have any cold air coming into the cab. So after you're done inserting your wires, you can fold that flap back over, and if you're real crazy about OEM, you could even tape it, I guess, and seal it all back up. But you'll see, if I can get the phone in here right, way up in there. Let me turn you and apologize for the seasickness here. But here's our hole. And then see right over there next to it, which is hard to see, but there's the hood latch wire. Well, anyways, it's hard to see. We're about 3 inches away from the hood pass through. And that's exactly where you're coming through here, right next to the brake booster right there. Slice that a little bit, and you can drill a nice 3/4. You could even drill an 1.5 hole if you're doing some big wiring or big stereo. There's a lot of room in the metal right there. And then as far as the grommet that you put in that hole, here at Wicked, I like to use these star grommets because you can pass just as many wires as you want through them, and they block any kind of rodents or most of the cold air. So we like to use these. They take a 3/4 inch hole, nice thick outer edge to protect your wiring. And these are just big enough to pass a 4-gauge power cable with a couple other smaller wires, or you can also get larger ones. So this was the 2019 or newer Explorers. I bet this method will go all the way back to 2015, but that's how you get through the firewall on the newer Explorers. I hope the video was helpful. Give me a like, a thumbs up, share it, and thanks for watching. Again, George at Wicked Warnings.